For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Turo, a peer-to-peer car-sharing platform, allows vehicle owners to rent out their cars to travelers. While it's a great way to earn passive income, car insurance can be a major cost for Turo hosts. Fortunately, artificial intelligence, AI, tools can help you find the best and cheapest insurance options tailored to your needs. This guide provides a step-by-step breakdown of how to use AI to reduce your car insurance costs while hosting on Turo. Step 1. Understand the insurance requirements for Turo hosts. Before diving into AI tools, you need to understand Turo's insurance structure. Turo offers different protection plans for hosts, where you can choose to waive Turo's protection and use your own commercial rental insurance policy. Turo's insurance options include Turo protection plans, cover liability and physical damage, with varying deductibles and costs. Commercial insurance requires your own commercial auto insurance policy, which must meet Turo's requirements. Knowing which route you plan to take is essential in determining how AI can help you lower your insurance expenses. Step 2. Decide between Turo insurance and commercial insurance. Use AI-driven comparison tools to evaluate whether sticking with Turo's plans or purchasing your own commercial policy is cheaper in the long run. AI can help analyze historical rental data and revenue potential. Compare Turo's protection plan fees with commercial insurance premiums. Estimate risk levels and accident probabilities for your vehicle type and area. Some AI platforms and tools to assist. Cover AI uses machine learning to analyze your vehicle, location, and usage to recommend the best insurance strategy. Insurify and Zebra offer AI-driven policy comparisons based on user preferences. Step 3. Use AI tools to compare commercial car insurance providers. If you choose to get a commercial insurance policy instead of using Turo's plans, your next step is to find the cheapest coverage that meets Turo's requirements. Steps. Go to comparison sites like Insurify, Gabi, or Zebra. Input your vehicle details, expected mileage, rental frequency, and your location. Use the AI-generated recommendations to narrow your list to the most affordable and comprehensive commercial insurance policies. AI tools often scan hundreds of policies in seconds. Filter for policies that allow car sharing and commercial use. Adjust estimates based on your driving history, type of car, and local regulations. Step 4. Utilize chatbots and virtual agents from insurance companies. Major insurers now offer AI-powered chatbots on their websites or apps. These bots can answer questions about coverage eligibility for Turo, suggest add-ons like liability insurance or roadside assistance, offer real-time discounts based on your input, e.g., good driver, low mileage, anti-theft devices. Insurance companies with advanced AI support include Geico, Progressive, Allstate, Root Insurance, Next Insurance, geared toward commercial policies. Interact with these bots to identify special offers or bundle packages that reduce your monthly premium. Step 5. Use AI to optimize your vehicle selection. Some cars are more expensive to insure than others on Turo. AI tools can help you analyze and choose the most cost-efficient vehicles. Use tools like VIN AI, checks the VIN to evaluate insurance costs, accident history, and repair costs. AutoBrain analyzes vehicles by make and model to predict maintenance and insurance costs over time. If you're planning to buy a car specifically for Turo, AI can help you choose one with lower average premiums. Step 6. Install AI-based telematics to lower rates. Telematics devices monitor your driving habits. Insurance companies offer lower premiums to drivers who show safe behaviors. Install AI-driven devices or use smartphone apps to track speed, braking, and mileage. Receive driving scores based on risk. Send data to insurers in exchange for discounts. Programs that reward you for safe driving include Progressive Snapshot, Allstate's DriveWise, Root Insurance's mobile AI scoring system. Some companies offer up to 30% off after a few months of safe driving data. Step 7. Bundle AI insights with other discounts. AI platforms not only help find cheap policies, but also identify stackable discounts. Examples include multi-policy bundles, home plus car, low annual mileage, good driver record, anti-theft, and safety features, affiliation or occupation, military, student, teacher. Let AI tools evaluate which discount combinations apply to you. Tools like Jerry AI, Gabby, and Savvy are designed to do this efficiently. Step 8. Regularly reevaluate insurance rates with AI alerts. Insurance needs and rates change, especially when running a car-sharing business. Use AI to stay informed about changes in your eligibility for cheaper policies. Set up alerts or use apps that notify you when cheaper policies become available. Recalculate rates based on updated driving data. Suggest switching providers at renewal time. Use services like Policy Genius, Insurify Alerts, the Zebra Monitor. These can ensure you're always paying the lowest possible rate as your driving and rental activity evolves. Step 9. Optimize your Turo listing based on AI analysis. Beyond insurance, AI tools can analyze your Turo listing and vehicle use to reduce exposure to risk, which indirectly lowers your insurance. Use platforms like Wheelbase by Turo offers analytics to optimize bookings and reduce cancellations or risky renters. Price Labs uses dynamic pricing and risk prediction for rentals. Turo AI tools automatically adjust your listing price and rental duration to attract responsible renters. By reducing high-risk rentals, you can maintain a clean claim history and qualify for lower insurance premiums. Step 10. Leverage AI to track claims and manage risk. AI can also help manage claims efficiently and maintain a low claims history, crucial for keeping insurance costs down. Use AI-supported features like mobile apps with AI photo capture for documenting damage before and after each trip, automated accident detection and reporting, claims forecasting tools that predict long-term cost impact. These systems improve claim processing, reduce fraud, and protect your record. Conclusion. Using AI to get cheap car insurance for Turo is not just smart. It's necessary for maintaining profitability. With AI's help, you can compare hundreds of commercial and personal policy options. Choose low-cost, high-reward vehicles. Track and improve driving habits for discounts. Automatically monitor changes in rate eligibility. By combining these steps, you can significantly cut insurance costs and boost your income as a Turo host. Let AI be your full-time assistant in running a more cost-effective and sustainable car-sharing business. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.